What if I told you there's a way to earn online without creating your own product, without customer service headaches, and without spending huge money up front? The secret is affiliate marketing. And in 2025, it's smarter, faster, and more beginner-friendly than ever. Stay with me, because in this video, you'll get a step-by-step blueprint for affiliate marketing in 2025. And at the end, I'll reveal the number one mistake beginners must avoid. Number one, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is simple. You recommend a product you trust. Someone buys through your unique link, and you earn a commission. But here's the truth. Most beginners fail. They think it's about throwing links everywhere. In reality, success comes from strategy, not spam. Up next, I'll show you the best affiliate platforms where beginners can start today with zero cost. Number two, choosing the right platforms. In 2025, 3 platforms lead the way. Amazon Associates, trusted but lower commissions. ClickBank, digital products with higher payouts. And Impact, or CJ Affiliate, for brand partnerships. But here's the big question. Which platform is right for you? That depends on your niche. And in the next step, I'll show you exactly how to choose one. Quick question. If you could promote one type of product, would it be tech, health, or finance? Comment below. I'd love to know. Number 3, picking a profitable niche. Here's the rule. If you promote everything, you attract no one. Step 1, choose a niche you genuinely care about. Step 2, check if people are already buying in that space. Pro tip, search YouTube, TikTok, or Reddit. If people are asking questions, there's an audience waiting. But once you've chosen your niche, what's next? You'll need traffic, and that's where most beginners get stuck. Number 4, driving traffic in 2025. 2 paths. Free traffic. From YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or blogs, or paid traffic. With ads on Google, Facebook, or TikTok. Free traffic builds trust, but takes time. Paid traffic is faster, but requires testing. And in just a moment, I'll reveal the easiest beginner-friendly content strategy, even if you've never made a video before. Number 5, content strategy for beginners. Here's the good news. You don't need to show your face. Use the stock videos from Pexels or Pixabay. Add AI voiceovers. Focus on short, educational content that answers real questions. Every video becomes a digital salesperson, working for you 24/7. Number 6, mistakes to avoid. Chasing commissions without building trust. So here's your blueprint for 2025. Pick your niche, choose your platform, drive traffic, and build trust with valuable content. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe for more strategies, and comment your dream niche below. And remember, affiliate marketing in 2025 is not about quick wins. It's about building systems that pay you month after month.